In this video, we are going to see how we can enable or disable the quick purchases option on YouTube. So maybe you want to disable it in order to make a little challenging process to purchase anything on YouTube, or maybe you want the frequent purchases to make it easier. So in both cases, you can enable this quick purchase option or disable it. First of all, just click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner, and then just click on the settings at the bottom. And from here, we click on the billings and payments. And if you want to enable it, it says you will be asked to verify your account for all YouTube purchases. You can click on enable for quick purchase. Click on enable, and then it will ask you for your credentials confirmation. You just need to enter your password or a passkey, whatever. And after that, as you can see, the quick purchase is enabled. If you want to disable it, you can simply disable it from here. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.